you a new topic, top 20 facts. So today's topic will be top 20 facts about the human body, and I will be doing about different topics in the near future. And if you are new to my channel, I am Arjun and I do fact videos, experimental videos, cultural videos and historical videos. So click that red subscribe button and the small little bell icon so you can get notified when I upload videos. So without talking, let's get straight into the video, friends.
First fact of the day, the hardest working muscle. If you ask the hardest working muscle in our entire body, it is the heart, because every day it creates enough energy to drive a semi truck over 30 kilometers, 18 miles. Over a lifetime of a normal human, it is equivalent to driving to the moon and back. Fact number 2, our amazing brain. Although our brain is only 60% fat, but even though it works very hard just like the heart. At any time, mostly sleeping time, our brain can generate 25 watts of power. That's enough to power a small LED bulb or a normal bulb. Fact number 3. How many liters of water does a human drink in a lifetime? In a lifetime, a person averagely drinks 75,000 liters, which is equal to 20,000 gallons of water. Wow, that's just amazing, right? Fact number 4, our amazing eye. If the human eye were digital, it would have 575 megapixels. That is actually very powerful. An eye can distinguish about 10 million different colors. Fact number 5, our own Iron Man. All the Iron Man fans watching, including me, yeah, you gotta listen to this one carefully. There is enough iron in a body to make a metal nail measuring up to 3 inches, 7.6 centimeters long. Fact number 6, growing skin. What is growing skin? Skin is the body's largest organ and is constantly renewing itself. Your skin sheds 50,000 cells every minute. Over a lifetime, that piles up to 18.1 kilograms, which is equal to 40 pounds of skin. Fact number 7. Quick sneeze. What? What is quick sneeze? The typical human sneeze travels at just under 64 km per hour, 40 miles per hour. Actually, that's the same speed as a tiger. Friends, did you know that our sneeze is as fast as a tiger? Wow. Fact 8. Or growing hair. Your hair grows nearly 1/4 of an inch, which is 6 millimeters every 4 weeks. Each hair follicle has its own life cycle, consisting of a growth phase, anagen, which can last between 2 and 6 years, and a resting phase, telogen, which lasts a few months. But I don't know if I'm pronouncing these words correctly, but if you want to correct it, you can let me know in the comments. And there's a graph of a hair follicle. Now let's move on. Fact number 9, our amazing memory. What is our amazing memory? Smell is the oldest of all the senses before sight, hearing, touching, and others. Creatures have evolved to respond to chemical around them. Our brain can remember up to 50,000 different scents. Wow, did you know that our brain could really remember that many scents? Fact number 10, infant bones. When babies are born, they approximately have around 300 bones in their body. But when they grow up, few bones might fuse, so when they become an adult, they will have only 206 bones in their body. Fact number 11, the most dangerous area in our body? If you ask the most dangerous area in our body, in the graph you can see it is on top of the upper lip and our nose, also known as the Little's area, Kesselbach's plexus. It is connected by blood vessels, which emissary veins, which doesn't have valves connecting directly to the brain. Cavernous sinus. Fact number 12. How many cells does our body produce per second? Per second, in our body, it produces 25 million new cells. If we calculate for 15 seconds or lower, it can cover many populations, right? Fact number 13. Our largest bone, the largest, heaviest and the strongest bone in our body is the femur bone, also known as the thigh bone. There's a photo and a structure of the femur bone. Okay, now let's move on. Fact number 14. Our smallest bone. The smallest bone in the human body is the stirrup bone, also known as the stapes. One of the three bones that make up your middle ear, measuring up to 2 to 3 millimeters. It is shaped like a U and is the innermost bone that receives sound vibrations and passes them along to the cochlea to eventually be interpreted by the brain. There is a graph of the stirrup bone. Now let's move. Fact number 15. The number of blood vessels we have in our body. We have around 60,000 to 1 lakh blood vessels in our body. Oh, that's really crazy, right? Fact number 16. Our nails. The fingernails grow faster than the toenails. Nail growth varies according to age, health, etc. Fact number 17. Strongest muscle. The strongest muscle is the masseter, which is located in the jaw and is one of the muscles of mastication or chewing. If we define the muscular strength as the ability to exert a force on an external object, the masseter or jaw muscle is the strongest muscle in the human body based on its weight. Fact number 18. How much percentage of water is our body filled with? You would have seen here and there that most of our body is filled with water, but now I am going to tell you accurately how much. The amount of water in the human body ranges from 45 to 75%. The average adult human body is 50 to 65% of water. Yes, averaging around 57 to 60%. The percentage of water in infants is much higher, typically around 75 to 78% of water, dropping to 65% by 1 year of age. So yes, mostly we all have around 65 to 70% of water in our body. Fact number 19. The weakest bone. The weakest bone in your body would probably be the nasal bones, also our nose. It can easily break when someone punches you on your nose or you go and get hit there. So our nose, if someone punches it or you get hit there, it has a high risk of breaking. Last but not least, our 20th fact. The higher your IQ, the more you dream. That's it for this video.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you want more videos like this, please subscribe. It would be a great motivation for us to post videos frequently. And until the next video, stay tuned, stay safe, and peace.